In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a weekly calendar in Notion, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. A weekly calendar is perfect for planning your tasks, managing your time, and staying organized without feeling overwhelmed. Notion makes this incredibly easy by using built-in templates, and by the end of this video, you'll have your own weekly calendar ready to use. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tips and productivity tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Notion. Once you're logged into your Notion account, you'll land on your main workspace. This is where all your pages, notes, and databases live. If you're new to Notion, don't worry, you don't need any advanced setup for this. Next, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on the arrow or the menu option at the top of your workspace. This opens up additional options and makes it easier to navigate through Notion's features. After that, click on Templates. This will take you to Notion's template gallery, where you can find ready-made layouts for productivity, planning, school, work, and personal use. Templates are one of the fastest ways to get started without building everything from scratch. Once you're in the template gallery, go to the search bar and type in Weekly Calendar. As you type, Notion will automatically show relevant templates that match your search. These templates are created to help you plan your week efficiently. From the results, look for the template called Weekly Schedule Calendar and click on it. This template is designed specifically for weekly planning and already includes a clean layout that you can customize later. Now click on Add button. This tells Notion that you want to add this template to your workspace. You'll then be prompted to choose where to add it. Next, click on Add to Private. This will add the weekly calendar to your private workspace, so only you can see and edit it. Once it's added, the template will open as a new page inside Notion. At this point, your weekly calendar is ready to use. You can start customizing it by renaming days, adding tasks, adjusting time blocks, or changing colors and layouts to match your personal workflow. You can also duplicate the page every week so you always have a fresh weekly calendar without starting over. And that's it. You've successfully created a weekly calendar in Notion using a simple template. This setup is perfect for staying organized, tracking your goals, and planning your week more effectively. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tutorials and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.